In this video, I'll walk you through super simple step-by-step guide for editing your videos right on your phone using free application in short. I have explained everything slowly and clearly so that you will be able to follow along without getting confused. One step at a time, and let's get started. If you are already familiar with some steps, feel free to watch the video in 1.5x speed, but don't skip the key parts. Now let's go to InShot app. Those who do not have the app, you can go to Play Store and install one. मेरे फ़ोन में ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड है, सो लेट मी जस्ट ओपन द ऐप. ओके, देन गो टू वीडियोस. इधर आपको जो भी वीडियो एडिट करना है वो आप सेलेक्ट करके ओके कर सकते हैं. आप सेलेक्ट करके वीडियो. ओके, देन इफ आई क्लिक ऑन प्ले यू कैन सी द बैकग्राउंड वॉइस हियर, बैकग्राउंड साउंड. सो इसका वॉल्यूम अभी मुझे रिड्यूस करना है. यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट and click on the volume, completely reduce the volume because I'm going to add a voiceover to that video. Fine. The first thing that I do after importing any video is cut out the unwanted part. So जो भी snips मुझे नहीं चाहिए उसको मैं हटा लेती हूँ. For example, let me show you the demo. अभी से ये एक part है and उसके बाद मैं गई sheet mask लेने. तो अभी ये बीच का part मुझे कट करना है. So what I do is, so let me keep it till here. Okay. अभी इधर से मुझे स्प्लिट चाहिए तो ये लाइन है. अभी इधर आप टाइमिंग भी नीचे देख सकते हैं 0.12.2. so the split दबाएगा. Let's click on split and then again you can play the video and okay, now I want to split it till here. Okay, so let me click on split again. अभी ये बीच का पार्ट है. just click on that part and just click on delete. You can see that tick and tick. You'll have the second shot. Now if you want to zoom it a bit, now for example अभी मुझे ये whole part नहीं चाहिए. I just want a zoomed version. You can just pinch and zoom that part. Just click on that and just zoom it and done. अभी play करके देखिएगा. So you can see that zoomed version. Yeah, if you want the same with other clip, now for example split this. I want zoomed version. Let me zoom it more. Okay, cool, done. So you can see that. Cool, this is done. And next is adding transition. So you can click on this pencil icon, it is here, and you can add transition between two snips, two videos or two parts which have already split. This is, I use this most often, so you can just see that just merges. You want to and come to know. If you want other transition like dropping from top, I'll just show you the different transition. See, okay, there you go. You have here glitch. Let me play it. There you go. So you can use any of them, and these colorful ones are paid versions, but you can go with the free versions. There are many free versions actually. Those are sufficient. See. So accordingly you can add whatever transition you want. So now for now let me keep it this way. Okay, let me play this again. Cool. Now next thing that I want to cover is fixing the volume, which I already told you. If there was any voice in this video and you want to increase the volume or decrease the volume of specific part, just have to split the video as I told you. Now for example, if I want to increase the volume of this one part, okay, I can go to volume and the original volume will be 100%. It will be till here. So you can increase it more up to 200%, or if you want to decrease the volume, you can decrease it. And you can also denoise it. So this works to some extent. If there is any background noise, it will fade away. And these two tick marks which you can see, if you click on that and if you volume denoise applied to all, it will be applied to the whole video, not only that particular part. Okay. And next is adding stickers. If you want to know how to add stickers, here you have an option called as stickers. So the sticker, just drag and drop this. Okay. Now, for example, I want to add this camera. Click on OK. You can play and see the video. You can place it wherever you want. You can decrease the size. You can rotate it, and you can also decrease the timing. आपको जिधर भी वो चाहिए वो particular part उधर रख सकते हैं. You can just adjust the timing accordingly. And if you click on edit, you can also give the you might have seen some stickers which like constantly rotate or rotate in the loop or just blink. You can add those effects from this option. So here there is loop. If I add this one, see the sticker is rotating non-stop. Let me show you again. See, there you go. Let me add one more sticker just for the demonstration. Now let me just consider this. Okay, let me keep it here. Okay. See, since the loop is created, it's just rotating. Now let me edit it. If you add this, it just blinks constantly. Let me show you. Tick, tick, tick. Okay. And let me edit the effect. So yeah, there are multiple options. See. This is how you add the stickers. The next is adding voiceover to the video. To add voiceover, here you have an option called as audio. Once you click on that, either you can upload music, already available musics, or you can add the effects, or you can record the voice. So you have to give the camera permission. So you can record the voice and you can use it or you can import it. If you already have a voiceover in the video and you want to add sound effects, so for example, let's go to this part. I want to add a sound effect while transitioning from this part to this part. Let's keep the cursor here and click on audio, then click on effects. Here you have many musics. So here there is, let me show you the popular musics. Bubble effect, just increase the volume a bit. See, you can see that. Okay. Next, if you want to add a transition zoop sound, you hear those transition sounds. You can add them to the favorite if you want, and they will be available here. The list will be available here. So most popular ones are this bubble, this button, and you might have seen this beep. Camera flash. This is also used widely. The ping, the snap. Okay. So let me explain briefly about the sound effects along with the text. So now, next part is let's add text. Okay. Now, breaking news. This is done. For example, I want to add a text here. Let's go to text and text. What do I type? Okay, let me just type I am famous. Okay, you can drag and place it anywhere you want in the screen. And now you can modify the text color, font and everything. So this is the best part. And here you can specify the how you want the text to appear. So you can reduce the speed here. So let me click on different options. You'll be able to see. If you want loop again, here you can also add the loop. Just check this text how it is spinning. If you want to add blink, movement, again rotation. Okay, let me do it none. This is mostly used, all these options are mostly used. So now, example, I've considered this. And you can change the text color, border, shadows. So if you want shadow, you can see the difference on the text. Adjust the saturation, blurriness. You can add glow. See if I increase the glow, how it looks. Decrease the glow, reduce the glow completely. You can add little glow. You can add a label to the text. And next here you have opacity. Okay, next thing that I wanted to show you is, let's see. Okay, just I don't know how it got. Maybe I need to remove the label. You can increase and decrease the text size, spacing, line spacing and everything you can adjust here. Bold, italic. If you want a curve at top, see, this is how you add curved text. Okay. If you want to add sound effect, just click on, keep the cursor here in the beginning of the text and just go to audio, effects. You can also search for the effects. You know the name. If I choose bubbling, yes. So let's see how it looks. See when the text appears, get that sound. Okay, and the next part is adding another video or picture in picture feature. You can just click on PIP. And for example, if you want to add another video parallel to your video, you can just let me just keep it here just to show you. See, that video is also playing and this video is also playing. Now if you want to make it full screen, you can just click on this icon and it will be full screen, but since it is in the portrait mode, it is appearing like that. So you can set the canvas here, so in case if you are not aware. Here, this is the canvas. You have different options for Instagram. This is YouTube Shorts. This is YouTube video. Okay. And if you want to remove, just click on delete. It will be gone. If you want to know how to create stickers of your photos, for example, if I want to create a sticker from this photo, let's just add this photo. Now what I'll do is I'll just select cutout option, chroma, no, not chroma, sorry, cutout, and cutout. You can see that the background is deleted automatically. Looks like a sticker. Now if you watch this, so you can also add effects to the sticker. Next, if you want to add a zoom effect, for example, to this particular part, how do we do that? So you have to go to effects and click on effects again. Here you have slow zoom. Here you have jump zoom. This is zoom out. So these are all free effects which you can use. Isn't it cool? Just look at that. That's it. I know I went very slowly because this video is specifically for beginners. I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails, edit audio, and so much more, all using free tools. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.